Hi, this is Sergey, and this is your website. Thank you for providing me the opportunity to point a couple of things on how you can grow your business. So, to start with, I actually like the niche that you selected. The parkour is a young and growing sport. I would really would like to see you growing. So, I really like that. The second thing is how organized you are on your website. You have a cool logo here, you have a click to call here, and you have a good amount of social media presence that is very impressive. So this is what I see here. The other services that you like to advertise is private parties, boot camps, I guess some daycare. The this thing that I didn't find a lot of content with the good keywords that you would like to be found for. So we can talk about here. Like keywords would be this fun center in Denton, Texas, for example. That Google would recognize it, and if somebody put fun center in Google, you would be found for it. So let's take a look at your at what's behind the scene with your website. So here what we see, we see no data here. That just tells me that the site is not strong, and Google doesn't see your business as an expert in the area. And I can tell you why by showing you example you compare. But here you do rank for some keywords. First of them is urban use park, which is actually the name of your business, so it's not that important and not many people are looking at this name. Then Denton Recreation Center, it's a pretty good keyword, volume 150, but you on position 63. Indoor trampoline park, Denton, Texas. I'm not sure if you have trampolines. However, you do rank for it. Here's trampoline park, Denton, Texas. So what I notice, if you do have trampoline, that'd be actually a good avenue to explore. If you look at the trampoline, we find that the highest performing business on a trampoline Denton is this guy's Altitude Denton. And indeed, if you Google up trampoline Denton, Texas, Altitude guys on the first spot. So just to show you why that might be the case, if you look them up in the same tool where I put your website, we'll just put them here. So what you find here is the URL rating and domain is much higher. That is partially because of this referring domains, 103 websites sending them 477 links and indicating that this is the trusted website, that we can take a look at what kind of links they receive. Coupon cards free, coupon buy sell, restaurant coupons finder. So it sounds like they apply to different places and got the backlinks. Walmart coupons code, stuff like that any business can do. MapQuest, that's just a regular places. So this is their backlinks that provide them power to be on top of Google searches. And here are the words that they found for in Google. Look, that was 2,000 plus words here. So they found Altitude Trampoline Park, that's their name, doesn't matter. Altitude Denton, so let's remove Altitude, or let's not look at the Altitude. Denton Trampoline Park, see? About 100 searches last month, and they're on first spot. Trampoline Park Denton, another keyword, even though it's similar, it's for Google it's different, so it's already 200 people on the first spot. Trampoline parks near me. So a lot about trampoline, so I would explore the avenue. If trampoline doesn't work for you, let's take a look at the situation with parkour in Denton. If we put in Google parkour Denton, Texas, On the first spot, we see person that pays for the ads. We can take a look at them, yeah, we can take a look at what they're offering. Tempest Academy, but they're not on organic, and they're actually not even in Texas. Here it says that they're California. Here's the South Texas. I guess they have multiple locations. So let's take a look at their background, their backside. So you see how strong they are, how many backlinks they have, and 400 domains. Again, about 2,000 keywords. That provides them lots of traffic, like 4,000. But that's because they have multiple locations. So let's see what they rank for in Denton in particular. So they actually don't rank in Denton. All of a sudden not working correctly. So let's take a look at the word parkour. They actually do. Okay, all their keywords actually Los Angeles, California, and so on and so forth. So it will be very easy to beat them. But they're not even competition because they here due to the paid ad. Anyways, going further, then you see these guys, they don't even have a website, so not much to look at. It will be very easy to get the first spot. However, you're here on the second spot, so it's not a big deal for Denton. And these guys, I actually checked them out. This is the same guys that here, they're not in Denton, they probably just moved there. And other guys here, they're also moving from California, so probably parkour is more popular in California. That's what's happening, and the guys are trying to get business. And I think you should prevent them from taking your customers. So what I found is for example, if we look at the parkour Fort Worth, that's a different situation there. Same guys trying to gain some traffic just by having ads. So if you look at the first organic search guys right here, and you look them up in the tool, that I think what you could orient to. Let's take a look at their organic keywords. Look, this is it. This is where you can explore the avenue of getting more people. Parkour Dallas, search volume is 100 last month, position 5 for them. Parkour Gym Dallas, Parkour in the Park, that's the name of the business, so disregard it. Parkour Dallas again. So Parkour Gyms in Texas, this is what they are ranking on. Let's continue discovering. This is actually how I do my researches. Parkour Dallas. Let's find out who's on the first spots, and again the ad here. Here's some guys just in the Google Map pack. Let's see who's on top of the organic search. This guy's against California, so Obstacle Virus Dallas. Maybe these guys are the legit local business. So if you look them up, you find following. Not the strongest website. We can get to this in 2-3 months whenever we do backlinking correctly, but look at the keywords, amount of keywords. And let's just leave parkour to see how they're doing on the parkour side. Parkour Dallas, position 6, Parkour Gym Dallas, Parkour Gyms in Texas. So I think you get the gist. So either you would need to expand your business to Dallas and Fort Worth, and to indicate that to Google all you need to do is come up with a good content with the keywords pointing out to that you are providing services Dallas and Fort Worth, not only in Denton. And after that, you would need to build a strength for your website with strong backlinking strategy. And I can give you more details if you would like. So those would be my tips, is to expand your business. I can give you more details on how to do it. Select your services. If you don't want to add trampoline, perhaps we can look and diving more into boot camps or private parties, whichever you like the most, whichever gives you the most of the business. And third is to increase your authority by creating backlinks to your website. If you have any other questions, you would like to get some details of what I said, just let me know. I really want to help you. I like this niche a lot. Thank you. Bye-bye.